Discussion boards that are text-based have been the standard on the web for over a quarter of a century, and one of the best uses of VoiceThread is as a drop-in replacement that is an order of magnitude richer and an easy way to build a sense of community quickly and simply. So here's a look at how to accomplish that. First, go to the Create page, and then you're going to upload or import a piece of media that will anchor your discussion. I'll select a placeholder image from my computer and upload it. Then I'm going to give this VoiceThread discussion a title and a description, and then I'll click Save. Next, I'll click Comment, and here I'll record a very specific introduction, telling everyone exactly what I want from them. Here's an example of a master conversationalist's first comment that explains and elicits a response from a new audience.
While we're sure to learn tons from Anthony, we're also sure to learn a ton from one another as well. Remember to lend your voice to the conversation. In the words of Solution Tree consultant Cassie Erkins, the one who's doing the talking is the one who's doing the learning. So let's start talking, huh? Take a minute to use the comment buttons found at the bottom of this screen to let us know who you are, where you're working, and what it is about this conversation that's caught your attention. What are you most hoping to learn?
That first comment and the next few comments to follow are critical to establishing the level of discourse. People tend to enter a discussion on whatever level it's at when they arrive, so if your first few comments are thoughtful, you can bet the rest of the conversation will follow this trend. Now let's take a look at sharing this VoiceThread discussion with your class. To do that, click the Share button, and then you'll find your class group on the left. Select it, and then you'll see the people that are in this group on the right-hand side. If you click one of these sharing buttons on the left, you'll grant access to everyone who's a member of the group to view or comment in this VoiceThread discussion. All of the people now have access to view and comment immediately, and they will find this discussion on their My Voice page. So sending an email invitation is not necessary at all. Only use this Send Invite button if you want to notify people immediately. Although you are creating this discussion within the VoiceThread application, you can now embed this discussion almost anywhere, just as you would a YouTube video. But because you've shared it privately with this group, we'll always double check to make sure that people are a member of that group before granting them access. Now let's take a look at managing one of these discussions. Whenever new comments are made on a VoiceThread and you haven't heard them yet, you'll see a yellow bubble above the VoiceThread thumbnail, and if you open it up, you can follow the yellow flags and borders around avatars to find those comments that you have not yet heard. Once you listen to them, the yellow will go away. In addition, you should receive a daily digest email that lets you know exactly who commented on your VoiceThread discussions in the last 24 hours. One last tip for power users is that you can reorder comments in your conversation very easily. Make sure you're signed in as the creator or editor of the VoiceThread discussion, then just move your mouse over the comment timeline and hold down the Shift key. You'll see your mouse transform into a two-sided arrow, and then you can click and drag any comment segment to a new location, and that comment will be instantly reordered. This can be a great way to curate a conversation and make sure that your best comments appear early within it. For more information about embedding your conversations or using comment moderation, make sure to see the tutorials about them, which you can find on your My Voice page by clicking the tutorials link on the left.